In today's video, we are going to show you how to add GIFs to Milanote so you can make your boards more visual and engaging. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials and then open the board where you want to add your GIF. Click on it. And then in the left side panel of your dashboard, there are two ways to add a GIF here. One option is click the add image and then click the GIFs. So you can choose from any of the following GIFs that you can choose from. All right, so these are going to be some recommended. For example, let's say this one is kind of entertaining. Now, if you want, you can also search images here. And you also have the option to upload your own. If you do, click the upload an image. Now, I am going to show you a website called Giphy, which is where people can search, create, and share animated GIFs, stickers, and short looping videos. Okay, so you can choose from any of the following. You can type with the username or search using this tool. Now, I have a saved GIF from this website and I'm going to upload it on Milanote. I'm going to do the same thing. Click the upload your own. And as you can see, I have successfully uploaded the GIF here in the Milanote card. And basically that's it for today's video on how to add GIFs to Milanote. Thank you so much for watching and we will see you again in the next video.